Good morning, everybody. It's Tim Wild. Happy Monday, it's Meditation Monday, and I have a special guest with me today. Good morning, Miriam.
Good morning, Tim. Hi, everybody.
I am going to be heading to beautiful Hamburg again on the 6th and the 7th of April. Very excited. I'm booking some spring sunshine, Miriam. Do you think you can provide it for me?
Yes, it will be guaranteed, I think.
Good.
We are,
Good.
yes. Mhm. We are really lucky to have you again in Hamburg, Tim, on the
Oh,
6th and 7th of April.
it was such a beautiful time in November. I really, really enjoyed it. And beautiful group, very, very high frequency energies. And we're going to be repeating it again, but with something a little bit different this time, aren't we? We've got the Inner Light Forge workshop, and that is going to be really building on the light bodies, the ascension process, how we are actually completely changing our structure right down to the DNA that is within our bodies and how we are moving forward and how we're coping with them. We're going to be doing a lot of work on that over the weekend.
Yes, we are really excited for you to come over and work with us on our inner light forge and how important it is to work with the fire within us, with our own beautiful soul light, and yes, to reconstruct, as you said.
It is a reconstruction, and it feels like a reconstruction at the moment, doesn't it? It feels like we're reconstructing our concept of time, how we work, how we apply ourselves, how we speak, how we send love, how we receive love, but ultimately that inner light forge, that building of our own frequency, our ascension energy, and what it's actually going to do to us, how we're going to be in the future. It's exciting stuff.
Absolutely, from the heart consciousness out, built from the heart. That's what we will do.
Indeed, indeed. And we've got a little meditation for everybody, haven't we?
Yes, we have, and we're really looking forward to do it with you, the guys. And yeah, should we dive into
I think we should. And this is called the Inner Forge of Light meditation. And how was this created, Maria?
as a little appetizer for our upcoming workshop in Hamburg? And you can sense and feel everything. What's really important. I think that's the quintessence of the workshop. This
I like
appetizer meditation,
quintessence. It's
quintessence a little bit.
yeah, just it's a taster,
A
and
taster, just a
it
taster.
can be so much more on the weekend. So
So much more coming up.
everybody tuning in now, just make yourselves comfortable as possible. So relax, tune in, breathe, just feel your space around you. Open your heart and allow deep roots to grow from the soles of your feet into the earth. As they are flowing down, anchor them deep, deep, deeply into Mother Earth. Just allow yourself a few moments for this to happen.
And breathe into your heart. Consciously breathe in deeply and consciously breathe out deeply. Activate your five-dimensional heart energy through your attention and your breath. And notice how it expands beyond your physical body and forms a ball of light energy that gradually surrounds you safely in the wonderful energies of your own heart energy and the colors of white with gold and pink.
So just breathing deeply, surrounded by this beautiful light. How do you feel in this ball of light? Just be consciously aware for a moment. Let your breath draw you into the absolute center of your heart. Arrive there more and more. Relax.
You arrive in the center of your wonderful heart and are now standing in front of a golden door with a high vibration. Consciously open it wide. You are now in your inner light forge of light.
A gigantic fire burns in the middle of the inner sacred space. Above the fire is an enormous furnace whose vent seems to reach high into the cosmos, and sparks of light dance around the magical fire.
An enormous temperature prevails in this, your inner magical space. A being of light with a masculine appearance appears before you and greets you with his arms crossed over his heart. Muscular upper arms, long gray hair, and steel blue eyes look deep into your soul.
One of the creator gods stands before you. Just tune into this for a moment. Perhaps you are receiving his name at this point in time. Listen and perceive with all of your senses.
Beloved soul, he speaks to you. Take your apron here. It is time for you to start working with your forge fire. Take the apron and I will tie it around you. I am here to help you express an inner wish. Come to the fire and look into it. Connect with it. Let its warmth, its energy take hold of your system. And then take the liquid mass that has already been prepared by your soul long before this incarnation.
Now choose one of the countless forms and pour your liquid light into it. Just breathe and relax as this liquid light pours in. And hanging from the scaffold above you are countless molds suspended from light, with also sparkling chains. Now just take a moment to look at all the molds and decide. Make your decision.
Which mold do you choose? Where are you drawn to? Pour in the liquid and notice how it slowly cools and becomes malleable with the forging tools I hand you. Shape, create, visualize.
Just allow yourself time for this divinely creative moment. Just allow it to occur. Breathe and relax as it forms. And then take the creation and cool and solidify it in the vessel of sacred water.
What have you created? What does your conscious first creation look like? Is it a piece of jewelry, something tangible? Marvel with all your senses. And then place your creation in your heart and feel how the energy of your creation connects with your entire system, how your vibration increases.
Now allow yourself to connect to this place as often as you can and draw the melting mass. Create your visions, your light. And just after a while, give thanks. Bring yourself back to your sacred space, to your physical body, to your vessel. Allow yourself to land fully back wherever you are in the world, feeling that new forge, that creation. Allow it to form and give it love as it does so. And when you are ready, open your eyes.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank you, Miriam.
My pleasure.
So that, my lovelies, as you are just coming back, is just a little taster of what we have in store for you on the weekend, 6th and the 7th of April in Hamburg, Germany. So do come and join us.
Absolutely.
I look forward to seeing you soon, Miriam. Thank you ever so much for joining me this morning.
Yes. Lots of love.
Lots of
Bye.
love. Bye for
Bye.
now.